So I'll give you today's and I'll give you yesterday's. Yesterday I was on the water in the boat having fun with the family, so well, I didn't get it done. It's just one of the things. So today's daily, if you will, is my flashlight. I usually keep either this or a headlamp, and in the headlamp, that's usually when I go camping or whatever. Sorry guys, I just need to adjust that. Oh, there we go. Flashlight so I can see what I'm doing. Sometimes it's when I'm working on something and it's just not bright enough, and so there's that. The other side of it is certainly for signaling, for being able to see in the dark, for making sure that I don't run into bears and stuff like that. So overall, I mean, it's flashlight, so nothing uncommon about that. I do recommend one that has a clip. So there's that one, or something that's stationary, because then it'll allow you to station it. The other one I have actually has a nice magnet on it, so I can attach it to something. And then the end thumb button, I prefer that over the rest of them. So this is the Warlight. If you don't have one of those, then talk to Ian. So there's that. Thanks guys. Papa Bear out.